All brick home on a large lot with attached one-car carport and detached garage workshop, also having an attached carport. Home has hardwood flooring in living room, new carpet in bedrooms. Kitchen having hardwood cabinets, range oven and refrigerator remain. Like new washer and dryer in laundry. Dimensional shingle roof on home and detached garage installed September 2014. Detached garage has electric, water, concrete floor with drain, garage door, personnel door and attached carport. Have no need for detached garage? Then finish it out and have a backyard getaway. Just enough nice trees for shade. 5-minute drive to Walmart, doctor's office and restaurants. 20-minute drive to Tellico River, 15-minute drive to Tellico Lake, 40-minute drive to McGhee Tyson Airport. A little over 1-hour drive to Gatlinburg. Property lies between Knoxville and Chattanooga,